Jiahe Heavy Machinery Company Limited stands as a distinguished national high-tech enterprise committed to the development and production of a comprehensive lineup of engineering machinery, forging equipment, and environmental protection gear. Founded in 1996, our expansive facilities span over 200 mu, featuring a massive production area of 100,000 square meters. Our manufacturing prowess is demonstrated by an array of production equipment, including over 300 industrial robots, CNC lathes, and processing apparatuses, complemented by 20 sophisticated automated production lines. Embracing an intelligent industrial network PLM, ERP, and MES systems, we've optimized the manufacturing process to achieve smart management of the entire R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service process, culminating in an impressive annual output of 5,000 sets of engineering machinery. With our commitment to excellence underscored by certifications in ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and CE compliance, we've garnered acclaim as a national high-tech enterprise and a beacon of specialized innovation, unwavering credibility, groundbreaking advancement, and high-end brand cultivation throughout Shandong province. Our Jiahe trademark resonates as a mark of distinction across the region. Jiahe provides a broad range of engineering machinery, including wheeled excavators, wheel loaders, crawler excavators, crawler trucks, and skid steer loaders, boasting excavators from 0.6 to 60 tons across over 20 series and 100 variants. It is among the few global producers with a comprehensive lineup and over 400 kinds of self-developed construction machinery attachments. Our products are sold in 30 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China, as well as in more than 50 countries and regions, including Europe, North America, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. They are used in landscaping, farmland water conservancy, urban construction, municipal engineering, mining, and other construction sectors. The company boasts advanced techniques, infrastructure, testing equipment, and a fully fledged management system, which ensure that our product performance and quality, customer satisfaction, and market leadership remain at the forefront of the industry. With strong R&D and innovation capabilities, it turns a provincial-level enterprise technology center and R&D facilities, such as Tai'an Construction Machinery Intelligent Manufacturing Industry Technology Research Institute. The company has partnered with the universities and institutions, including Shandong University, Shandong Agricultural University, Shandong University of Science and Technology, Qilu University of Technology, and the Shandong Mechanical Engineering Society for open and efficient technological innovation. The company has applied for 56 patents, registered 20 software copyrights, and managed 20 provincial-level technological innovation projects. It has also contributed to the formulation of 2 national standards and 5 industry standards. The firm has always been at the forefront of technological development and innovation. Now, Jiahe adheres to the new innovative development model of Internet plus high-end manufacturing plus customization, driven by a deep commitment to excellence and grounded innovation. The entire dedicated team at Jiahe applies relentless effort and unwavering determination in their pursuit to become a pivotal industrial force within China and to shape a globally esteemed brand, setting sights high and leading the charge. Jiahe forges ahead to become a global industry colossus.